Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I thought I would bring you along as I make what my kids call, and what they usually get at the Waffle House, is seasoned chicken chunks. But ever since they were little, it used to be on the menu as chicken chunks. Now I don't think it is, because some Waffle Houses we visit, they have to say it's just a seasoned chicken breast that they cook on their griddle and chop up in chunks. But they still order it now. So they loved it so much that I tried to copy the recipe. Usually when I make it, we're grilling it, but since I have a griddle now, I'm going to cook it like they do. So this is what I'm using, and all of it is just a 1/4 teaspoon. Some of them's heaping 1/4 teaspoons, but I just have a small 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, because when I'm really seasoning something, I don't like a lot of salt. Heaping teaspoon of black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a small little 1/4 teaspoon of ground red pepper, heaping 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, parsley, Cajun seasoning, just a pinch of some red pepper flakes, and I'm going to mix this up. And I'm only cooking 3 chicken breasts, so I don't need that much. Kind of mix it all together. Now I want to put enough oil in this to make like a paste where it sticks to the chicken real good to marinate. I'm going to use a little bit, just a few drops of the same stir fry oil, just because of that great garlic and all smell and taste. So I'm just going to put just about a teaspoon in there. You don't have to add that. And then just some regular oil. Sometimes I use olive oil. And all of that won't be cooked. That's just going to be so it sticks real good to the chicken. And stir that up. Now I'm going to put my chicken breast in a zip top bag, and then we'll pour that on top. And then just going to pour this down in my bag. Now my chicken breast is still partially frozen, and that's okay. Now just going to seal it up, squish it around, and let this marinate for a while. If it was already thawed, I'd put it in the refrigerator. But I'll meet you at my griddle in a couple of hours. Okay, I hope you can hear me. It's raining again, of course. I thought it would be done fast, so we had to move the griddle, Blackstone Griddle, on the porch. So I'm just giving it a wipe down, and if there's any sticky spots, like right there where I had the oil on it, it's kind of sticky now. And of course I haven't cooked on it since vacation, so I've missed it. Once I cut it on to heat up, that'll burn off. So I'm going to heat my grill up on high for about 5-10 minutes, and then I'll be back out here to start cooking. Okay, now I'm going to turn my griddle down to low, because I don't want these cooking on high right now, because they need to cook through. But they just put them on there whole at first.
Very nice.
Anyway, you put it on there, minus the one that's not going to get ate. So I dropped it on the floor, and then you cover it. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, it's time to check on the chicken. Now I'm going to cover that and let it continue to cook. And I do have other things cooking on my griddle, but y'all done seen it before. Fried potatoes and stuff. And of course, my daughter wanted hash browns. Alright, time to check the chicken. Let that truck pass. Now, of course, this one's a whole lot thicker than this one. So this one will take a little bit longer to cook. If you're wondering about the one I dropped, Ricky rinsed it real good, and he said we're not going to waste it. So that's his, and it's separated. So now I'm just going to leave this one uncovered, because I'm sure it's almost done. I'm going to scoot it back, but I'm going to continue to cover these two. Now this one, we're going to go ahead and chop up, and my son's going to do that. No, not that one, the other spatula. That one's for potatoes, that's for chicken. That chicken looks done to me, but this is how they do it at the Waffle Houses that we go to. And then they put it on a plate and serve it. Alright, I'm going to get the other ones done, and then we'll bring it in the house and try it. And as soon as we got that one chopped up, we went ahead and checked that real thick one, and it's done too. So, didn't take long at all to cook on the griddle. And remember, I had my griddle on low. So, let me get this food chopped up and inside, and we'll try that. Okay, while I'm waiting on my biscuits to get done, we're just going to try a piece real quick. I don't eat chicken chunks at the Waffle House, but I have tried it. So, we're going to try. That's my piece. That's the one I was going for. You can taste the seasoning and everything really good.
Yep, but it's not overpowering. It's nice and tender too. Very
tender. Didn't take long at all to cook. And if you're wondering about Ricky's piece, it's in a totally separate pan. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm coming along for another Blackstone Griddle recipe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.